Hello. Okay. So, is it okay? So I was working on this find path function, and I'm still gonna keep working on it. And it's because it's one of the most important part of the program for this game. Um, the game is all about the positioning, and the other important thing is how you attack other units and how you calculate the damage and how you can check if the player can avoid or dodge the attack. But that's the other part. The most important thing is to figure out the position of each unit, because I just want to make it so it's like a chess game. The positioning of the each unit is very important to win the fight. So I would spend some more time to tweak this function. The first part of the function is find path, right? So at the end of last video, I mentioned that this if statement doesn't really work because there are some movements depending on the difference of the height of each tiles. You may consume some more points larger than one. So the first thing you have to do, okay, so I'm just gonna write down the memo here. So first thing you have to do is to check the next tile in front of you and get the difference, and then estimate the points that you will consume and check if you still have that points available. And I will add another condition, check if the tile is walkable as well, because last time when I built the tile definition, that was this. So I just put all the tiles are dirt, and all the material of the tile was dirt and type was walkable. Some of the tiles can be water or whatever, that's unwalkable for some characters. So it has to be walkable, and you have to always check it. So just gonna delete this. So I'm gonna check that as well. Then only after that they will check if previously that tile was visited, and when that was visited previously, if that previous pass consumed less point of the current pass or more points, and then we will split the result. All right, so I'm gonna do that. Let's see. It's kind of hard to see because everything is under if statement, and I think it's a bad habit. So I would just find if. Okay, I'll just create a new function, and if next tile. Okay, so let's get everything in pieces. So let next tile find next tile function. Find next tile function is this part. I will just make it to a new file actually. Let's put it under library for now. New file. Find next tile.ts. Next tile is tiles. Let's get tiles. So it will take tiles and direction. That's it. and position, right here. Position. So tiles, find tile, direction, tile position, position. So position is defined. Okay, so return. What did it take? Tiles. Okay, so tiles is passed, direction is passed, position is passed, right? So next tile is defined, so I'm just going to delete. What is it doing? Next tile is returning the difference as well. So difference is calculated and consumed points is calculated. Okay, so I would take this part and place it here. The difference is tile, next tile, right? Position minus, okay, right, current position, so diff so if points is this thing. So this is what was needed. Okay, I'm just gonna make maybe a new function that says move forward, but may break it into different. Okay, so find next tile is not imported. Import it. Okay. Okay, so the error is here. Let next tile is tiles. So the next tile is returned, and if next tile is not good, return false, I would say. Otherwise, return next tile. Okay. And so the direction, position. So next tile should return something, right? And it is not doing it because why? False. Why false? Oh, it never returns true. Ay. Okay. Now it's working. All right, so it's working. So what I wanted to do is, what was that? So I would actually make another filter, get the difference, estimate the points, right, and check if the tile is walkable as well, right? So I'm gonna add that logic as well.